Today's video, we are going to be unfluffing our first Christmas tree for Christmas 2023. We got a couple little ideas we're playing with, and we're going to just bring those ideas to you to give you a lot of inspiration for this Christmas 2023 season. Thank you everyone for voting. Those of you that participated in voting for which curtains we chose for the space, as you can see, we went with curtain choice number 2 of our silver sequence. Now let's get into the video. And there's our lovely tree. And you guys, this tree comes from Yaheetech. This is a pencil tree. I will put the link for it down in the description. And I'm gonna tell you guys, this tree was originally $129. They do have it on sale right now, you guys, for I think it's $69 or $79.99. I will put the link for it in the description. Alright, you guys, we got those first two put up, and she is looking gorgeous. Now, how I think I'm going to do this, you guys, is we're going to fluff the tree in one video. I don't know, we're going to fluff the tree and come back and decorate it. I think it's how I'm going to do it. But this is that first half of the tree. We're filling it up. And like I say, make sure you stay tuned because we plan to amaze you this year. And if you did do the curtains, you can see, you guys, we did still choose curtain look number 2. And I told you we're going to be showing you another space when we do redo the space, because we are redoing the space for Christmas 2023. Alright, you guys, now that we have the tree fluffed, what I'm doing is I take my picks, and I have picks like this, and I have just flocked, snow flock picks, and I go through and I just fill in my holes. So wherever I have a major hole, and I know, and I don't know if you can see that, I'm going to show you one or two of them up close, so you can see how it actually fills in the tree. But I use them as space fillers for gaps, as well as when I do the ornaments, I do the same thing. But I like to actually do this most of the time before I do the lights. But I'm going to do it a little different this year, which I should have strung the bottom portion up with lights first and just add it to it, because I want the tree to be more fuller, or have a fullness with the lights. So we're going to go ahead and just do the lights first. I have my one thing of lights out, and I think I'm going to opt to do another set, because this is just one major set and it dances, because I think I want to do 2 different sets of lights here on the tree. So, but we're going to do the lights and then fill all of the holes and the gaps in the tree. Alright, you guys, we now have the lights put on. And I just still went with one because this is what it's looking like right now during the daytime. And those are warm white lights. And the tree. Now when I do the other trees, you guys, I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to do the bottom and I'm going to light the bottom because I'm going to stack the trees with lights on the other trees, which I should have done with this one, but I wasn't thinking. So that's what we're going to do. And when I do the trees for the next space, because the space is tight, I think I'm going to put the tree together in the living room and take it to where I need it to be. But this is what it's looking like, you guys, thus far. Now we're going to go ahead and fill the gaps. As you can see, like here, I have a gap there. We're going to just go ahead and put you here on the angle. As from here, you can see the gaps. So what I'm going to do from this end, I'm going to come back on this side and look at it, because my tree is going to go in the corner. It's going to go on over here. But for now, I'm going to fill all of these front facing gaps. And once again, I'm filling them with my snow dusted picks. So like we have this here. Go ahead and put that in there. Put that in there. And I hope you can see that, what we're doing right there. And as you can see, it's just gathering the tree and making her full. And I don't do the whole entire tree, you guys, because what goes in the back, it doesn't matter if I have gaps. If it's to the back, I just know this is going to be the front of my tree. Now, if you don't have picks like this, you can actually opt to fill these gaps with your oversized ornaments. So I'm just opting to, and I'll come back this way so I can look at it from the front. I got some space in there, a little there. But I kind of almost, as you can see, I kind of almost got it filled. Space in there. And space in there. And I think I am actually going to be exactly where I need to be as far as gaps. I think I am. I'm loving it. Like that. Now, like I say, this is the front of my tree. And I'm loving it, loving it, loving it.